Right now we are heading out to a place that they call Little Batanes. Is that right?
Little Batanes. Yeah, it's actually called Lintaon Peak, but it's very similar to the Batanes Island of the Philippines.
The Batanes Islands of the Philippines is the most northern islands of the Philippines, and it's apparently very beautiful there. I actually really want to go there someday. Have you ever been there?
No, but I think you're gonna take me there.
I'm gonna take you.
You have to take me there.
I'll take you there. It's beautiful. You think it's good weather to go to Little Batanes?
I think we're gonna have nice sunset today.
Nice. It's around 4:50 now. Sunset is about an hour or hour and a little bit. Arvix, are you ready? You're still working? We're waiting for Arvix. He's working hard. Okay, we are going with Arvix. Hi, Arvix. Hi. This is Arvix's bike. We are borrowing Stuart's bike. Thank you, Stuart, that we can use your bike. Stuart is in Cebu right now. Wow, that's beautiful.
We will stop at two sides first. We will have this stop here.
You gotta stop here
Yeah,
first?
this is a public viewing area. I think this is a function room that you can rent if you want to spend your birthday celebration there.
At the very famous, not so really so famous, but we're gonna make it famous now, Lintaon, aka Little Batanes. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes, let's go!
This is 16 Blossom Lintaon Peak. And that is Mama Mary right there. She's looking at the ocean. So our tour guide for today is Mr. Arvix Katubay.
Thank you for bringing us here, Arvix. It's beautiful.
You're welcome.
Just look at this view. Oh,
Enjoy
look at
the
those
view.
rolling mountains over there. Just imagine living there
It's drone o'clock. So Vimpy will fly his drone.
and show you the nice view from above.
Nice view. So that mountain over there is Mount Pangasugan. The ranges are so mesmerizing. So this is our first stop. Next stop, we are going to a more private place. Our next stop would be at that mountain right over there, at that peak.
I'm vlogging you, vlogging me!
We're vlogging each other.
Wow, this place is so beautiful, and it's like the perfect time to come here because the sun is getting low and it's like golden hour.
Golden hour. You have to take a lot of golden hour selfies.
Selfies. Oh, like literally everywhere you look, it's great views. Like over there is like mountain ranges. Here you got like where the carabao are like crossing, grazing, whatever you call it. Sunset over here, and then over here is just like rolling hills into the sunset. Just look at that! So beautiful. What do you think?
It's so mesmerizing. And what's exciting is that our next spot is over that hill there.
Are we going that way?
Yeah, that way. You see that?
Oh, we're gonna go on that road? Nice. We better get going because we still need to go to that spot, and it's gonna get dark soon, so let's run! Sorry, bro! Wow, that was amazing. Thank you guys for bringing me here. I had a lot of fun. Right now we're gonna go for dinner. Where? At the boulevard. At the boulevard. Okay, here we are back at the boulevard, close to where I ate balut with Stuart. We're gonna get something to eat. Hey, friend! So how does it work? We choose there, and then they barbecue it for us, and they bring it here? Yes. Oh, that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I guess I'll see you guys. Bye bye in the next video.